So here we have this DoLife massage gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review and my initial impression. Alright, and here's everything right out of the box. I'm already really happy with this chair. Everything's wrapped up really nicely, and a lot of the parts are already assembled. But anyway, let's go ahead and put this together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, so first we're going to attach this piece to the seat cushion. It just takes 4 bolts, 1 in each corner, and make sure both pieces are facing the same direction. Next, we're going to attach the 2 armrests, and each one takes 2 bolts. Now we're going to assemble the base. Just pop this leg into here and pop in all 5 casters. Then drop in the gas strut and cover, and then you can put the seat right on top of that. Now we can attach the backrest, which is super easy. Just slide it between the 2 brackets and then bolt it on using 2 screws on each side. Then there's these plastic covers that snap over them and get screwed in with a single screw. And then you can pop in the 2 plugs to hide those holes. And same thing with the other side, 2 bolts, a cover, and then 2 plugs. Then connect together these 2 wires at the back, as well as these 2 other wires that are hidden in the pouch. And these get connected to the power cord and the remote. Then you can slide on the adjustable lumbar support, clip it together in the back, and same thing with the pillow for your head. Alright, and there we go. That was super quick and easy to put together. The chair also looks really nice. It has about a 2-inch thick cushion on the bottom. It's covered in this faux leather. There's also a lot of cushioning on the back. Then there's a lumbar support pillow and a pillow for your head. There is a decent bit of cushioning up here as well as around the frame. There's also some really sturdy metal armrests. They're adjustable up and down as well as side to side. Then it has a nice sturdy base with these slightly upgraded casters. Then on the back there's this nice long cord here, and that's to plug in the massager. And then this second cord is the remote for the massager. Plenty long enough to use it while you're sitting in the chair, and it actually has quite a few different settings on it to control the massage. And there's also this little pocket on the back of the chair where you can put the plug and remote if you're not using them. Also, there's this footrest at the bottom. It extends out about 14 inches. It has a nice thick cushion on it as well. I really like that. Of course, you have a lever over here you can use to raise or lower the chair, and then if you pull it out, you can actually rock back in the chair. Then there's this lever here. It's really easy to access when you're sitting in the chair, and it allows you to incrementally lay the chair back all the way to completely flat, which is pretty rare to find in gaming chairs. Anyway, I briefly tested this chair out, and it's pretty comfortable, and laying all the way back in the chair is also pretty comfortable, and it stays balanced, and it's especially comfortable if you also pull out the footrest. I also tried out the massaging feature. There's a couple different sections. There's a section right here, then there's a section on each side right here, and up here. It's nice and relaxing, definitely a cool feature. Anyway, overall the chair is nice and comfortable. It looks great. It's also nice and sturdy. The massager also feels nice, and I really like that you can lay it pretty much completely flat.